Hello students, second exercise before 6 problems completed. Now 7th question. The product of two numbers is 1296. If one number is 16 times the other, find the two numbers. Answer. Let the one number equal to x. Other number equal to 16x. 16 into x, 16x. Product of two numbers. Product of two numbers equal to 1296. Product means x into 16x equal to 1296. 16x into x, 16x square equal to 1296. X square equal to 1296 by 16. Here product is there, center sign, it will change it to divide. Here 4 table do cancellation, 4 4s, 4 3s, 4 2s, 4 4s, again 4 table, 4 1s, 4 8s, 4 1s. Means x square equal to 81. X equal to root 81. In this 81, do LCM, use prime numbers. In that LCM, use all prime numbers. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 4 times. Means take pair 2 times. 3 into 3 whole square. Now square root get cancelled. Therefore 3 into 3 9. X equal to 9. What is that? X first number. Therefore first number equal to x. X means 9. Other number equal to 16x. 16 into 9 equal to 144. First number 9, second number 144. 8th question. 7921 soldiers sat in an auditorium in such a way that there are as many soldiers in a row as there are rows in the auditorium. How many rows are there in auditorium? Answer. Number of rows in an auditorium. X take. Number of soldiers. Sat in each row equal to x. Total number of soldiers sat in an auditorium. Equal to 7921. X into x. Auditorium, rows in auditorium, soldiers in each row. X into x equal to 7921. X into x, x square equal to 7921. X equal to square root of 7921. In this 7921, 89 square means 89 into 89. 89 into 89. X equal to. Here 89 whole square, right? Square root get cancelled. 89. X equal to 89. Therefore, number of rows in an auditorium equal to x. X means 89. Number of soldiers sat in each row. Sat in each row. Equal to x. X means 89. Ninth question. The area of square field 5184 meter square means square meter. Find the area of rectangular field whose perimeter is equal to the perimeter of square field and whose length is twice of its breadth. Answer. Given that the area of square field, the area of square field equal to 5184 square meter or meter square. We know that square area of square side into side means s square equal to 5184. S equal to square root of 5184. Do LCM, the total with prime numbers. In that LCM use all prime numbers. Here 2 into 2 into 2 into 6 times 2 into 2 into 2. 2 6 times, 3 4 times, into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 2 6 times, 3 4 times. Root means take 1 pair means 2 times, 2 times, 2 times, like that, 1 pair. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Whole square. Square root get cancelled. Finally that side equal to, do product the total, 72 meters. They given square meters means side equal to 72 meters. This one area of square field they given, side equal to area of square field they given, side of square equal to 72 meters. Now find perimeter. Perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square equal to, we know that 4 into side. Perimeter of square equal to square perimeter 4 into side. Side equal to 72 meters. 4 into 72 equal to 288 meters. Perimeter means meter. Next, perimeter of square field, and they given one of the condition, perimeter of a square field in equal to the perimeter of rectangle. Perimeter of a square field in equal perimeter of a rectangle means square perimeter is equal to rectangle perimeter. Square perimeter is equal to rectangle perimeter. We know that perimeter of a rectangle, square perimeter is equal to perimeter of rectangle. We got before square perimeter 288 meters and rectangle perimeter also 288 meters. Now let breadth equal to x, length equal to, length is twice means 2 times of x, 2x. Perimeter of a rectangle means 2 into L plus B equal to 288. 2 into length means 2x plus breadth means x equal to 288. 2x plus x, 3x. 2 into 3x equal to 288. 2 3s, 6x equal to 288, x equal to 288 by 6. Do cancellation. Finally we get 48, x equal to 48. Therefore breadth of rectangle equal to x means 48 meters. Length equal to 2 into x means 2x. 48 into 2 will get 96 meters.